Oh God, this is saddening. Yeah, when you look at this sow, it's trying its best to feed its piglets, but as you can see, they are struggling. It's uncomfortable, but when you look at its teats, there is no milk, so it's suffering from what's commonly called a gall, or basically in layman's terms, it's the pig's inability to let down milk for the piglets. Now, as a farmer, you must know that when the mother cannot produce milk, you're losing money every minute. That means these piglets, you're increasing the chances of them dying and then falling sick before you win them off. That means you're losing money. See, this sow already produced a few piglets. They're struggling to be fed, and clearly it has no appetite. This is evidenced by you seeing sweet potato vines on the floor. Instead of eating, it's just struggling. You see, it's actually being very uncomfortable. It can't be able to breastfeed its piglets. Now, there's a solution to this. Either you get very good feed for the pig, or if you are stuck and you have this quality of pigs, then what you have to do is add Molaplus Pig Microbes to the ration. Improve the appetite. This increases the appetite or improves the appetite of the mother pig. Improves the gut, and then also introduces beneficial bacteria and microorganisms, and it's basically easy. The only way you can do it is you can convert these sweet potato vines, the same fodder that you're having, into quality silage by just adding Molaplus Pig Microbes. We can guide you and give you a formula on how to do it. Add Molaplus Pig Microbes to these chopped vines and chopped and wilted vines, and make quality silage. When you make quality silage, you're using Molaplus Pig Microbes, or add it in the water of your pigs. This will improve the gut flora and also give the pig the ability to extract nutrients from the feed, same feed that you're ideally giving. This is how silage looks like, and this will enable your pig produce more milk for the piglets. More milk means more increased chances of survival for your piglets, and because you have better appetite, better feed and nutrient extraction, better feed utilization and better nutrient extraction, the survival rates of your pig is going to increase. You'll have faster growth rates, and then this increases the chances of you winning more piglets and you making more profits from your piggery. So I don't know what you're waiting for, but WhatsApp silage or better feed so that we can guide you. We can send you a free guide on how to help your sows produce more milk for your piglets, and you can enjoy profitable pig farming. Thank you.